Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a Saxdor 320 GTC. Let's take a look. We're starting off here in the cockpit. I'm on the port side balcony that is a fold-down terrace. That's repeated on both sides, so you have two wings within the cockpit that fold down, give you a really cool perspective and access to the water, and 270-degree walk around on the boat, including the walk-through transom area. I've also got a reboarding ladder to the starboard side that folds out away from the engines for some extra safety. This boat is powered with twin V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated 300 Verados from Mercury with joystick piloting. Great propulsion for this boat. In the cockpit here we have this nice settee area that you can adjust the backrests on to face aft. So if you're having a nice meal, you want to sit facing forward at the table, or if you're catching a sunset or watching the kids swim in the water, you got a nice perspective of the water here and a very comfortable seat that could probably seat 3, maybe even 4 adults. There is nice storage beneath this transom seat that lifts up here. Undo that starboard side latch, there we go. So nice deep storage, great for shore power cords, fenders. There's a cover for this seat that can live under there when it's not in use. So a nice use of space from Saxdor there. You can see a nice fiberglass table here as well. That is on a high-low, so you can adjust that as needed. You can see this whole hatch here is a powered hatch with controls here on the port side. So I can lift this guy up, and you have a nice access to my bilge area. It's where the batteries are located, chargers. And everything is really easy to get to, well labeled, not cluttered up. So from a serviceability standpoint, Saxdor has done a really nice job here. I'll bring that back down. As this is coming down, we have stainless steel framed acrylic cockpit doors on both sides that swivel inward when they're in the open position. When they're closed, it's a nice way to enclose the cockpit, keep small dogs or children safely inside. Here's an example of what that looks like when it's in the closed position. Looks sharp and very functional as well. Here on that port side balcony, we have a freshwater sprayer. We've got our shore power cord connection here. I've got easy access to the hardtop should I need it. You'll notice we've got the C-deck foam flooring throughout the cockpit here, and that also continues into the bow. Coming forward into the salon, we have a glass door, so we can fully enclose the salon on days like today where we got a little bit of a drizzle. If we want to get out of the weather completely, we can totally enclose this area. Coming further forward, we've got a nice, really nice powered sunroof that's currently in the open position here, so we're getting a lot of good natural light, good ventilation, large windows on both sides to give us some cross ventilation. This space is climate controlled, so we do have an air conditioning vent above, in addition to what we have down in the cabin, with easy access to the controls right here with your distribution panel and the thermostat. Here on the port side, we have a freshwater sink, countertop area, induction style Kenyan cooktop, electric cooktop, cabinet style storage. All of this hides away, so you have a larger countertop here. We've got seating for 2 adults comfortably. Whether you're enjoying a meal or playing some cards, this is a high-low table, so this drops all the way down. You can take this backrest and the filler cushion, and you can make this another berth in addition to your cabin down below. We have a nice stainless steel refrigerator and freezer box. Really comfortable helm area. Your observer is on the starboard side. Easy access to a cleat here with that window. Nice comfortable armrest. Angled footrest. It's a really comfortable place to sit alongside the operator of the boat. And likewise for the driver, if you want to be in a standing position or in a seated position, really comfortable place to operate the boat. Got the wrapped steering wheel on a tilt base, digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados. Joystick feature from Mercury also includes your skyhook and autopilot features. You also have a bow thruster on board this boat, so docking this thing is going to be a piece of cake. We have twin 12-inch screens from Simrad. We've got switching for all of our lights and some other features, like windshield wipers. Everything's nice and well lit. We've got good visibility with all of the glass, so when the weather's nice, you want to open this thing up, you've got a great ability to do so. You feel like you're still outside, but when the weather turns south, you can close everything up and you get out of the elements. We've also got another observer seat on the port side that does have a fold down step here. So another comfortable place to sit next to a window, getting nice breeze. Got our JL audio sound system controls right here, our head unit, in addition to the controls that are routed through the Simrad screen. I'll show you how swift this sunroof is, so you can see how quickly and quietly this closes. Single press button, so you don't have to sit there and hold it. We've also got induction style phone chargers and cup holders. I'll open that back up. Coming down into the cabin area. So nice enclosed cabin with an acrylic door. Whether you're using this space for storage for all your luggage for a long weekend, or you actually want to do some overnighting down here, you've got a great amount of space. Good lighting above, again climate controlled, nice access to the head area that you can close with this door. So porcelain toilet, glass vessel sink, nice cabinetry, overhead lighting. So whether you're using this space to get ready for dinner, if you're coming into Shem Creek, or again you want to actually overnight down here, you've got all the amenities necessary to do so. Now we'll shift and make our way back towards the bow. So making our way towards the bow area. Nice chase lounge up front. Got a nice reclining backrest, plenty deep, so someone who's well over 6 feet tall can stretch out comfortably here. With cup holders on either side, so room for 2 adults. JL audio sound system up front. Got recessed grab rails for some extra safety if you get into any rough water. And again, that C-deck foam flooring is continued throughout the bow, so you've got plenty of comfort on your feet. That's a walkthrough of this Saxdor 320 GTC. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. And thanks for watching.